Technology, ever changing and ever growing, bring us the future we have always imagined. But how did it get to where we are now, and where will it go next? So be prepared and let's start. The Firefox logo isn't a fox. There is a common misbelief that because the browser is named Firefox, the logo must be a fox. Surprisingly, the cute furry creature in the logo is actually a red panda. Google rents out goats. You listen that right. Instead of mowing their lawn, Google rent goats to eat the grass at the Mountain View headquarters. The name for robot has dark origins. If you look into the etymology of robot, it comes from the Czech word robota, which translates to forced labor or work. The word was first used to refer a fictional humanoid in play in 1920. The first ever VCR was the size of a piano. When the first VCR video camera recorder was made in 1956, it was the size of a piano, way bigger than we would have guessed. Samsung is 38 years and 1 month older than Apple. Samsung was founded as a grocery store on March 1, 1938 by Lee Byung-chul. Apple founded Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak created Apple Computer Inc. on April 1, 1976. A petabyte is a lot of data. We all know 1 GB is the same as 1024 MB. But did you know that 1 petabyte is equivalent to 1024 terabytes? To give an example of how this is, a 1 petabyte hard drive could hold 13.3 years of HD TV video. The radio took 38 years to reach an audience of 50 million. You would think that invention of radio would be a big deal, but it took 38 years for the radio to reach an audience of 50 million. Meanwhile, the iPod took 3 years to reach the same milestone. The first camera needed an incredibly long expose. The first photograph ever taken in 1826 took 8 hours to expose. The creator of the camera, Louis Daguerre, was able to lower the time drastically to just 15 minutes in 1839. People read faster or slower depending on what they read from. Not only do you blink less when you are on computer, but reading from a screen also slow you down. On average, people read 10% slower from a screen than from paper. As for the blinking part, did you know during every life, people normally blink at a rate of 20 times per minute? The first alarm clock could only ring at one time. Literally one time. The first mechanical alarm clock could only ring at 4 am, invented by Levi Hastings. in 1787. It wasn't until 1876 that a wind-up alarm clock was made that could be set off anytime. Google searches hit the billions every month. There are over 35 billion Google searches every month. In May 2019, the top 3 most Googled words were Facebook at 233 million searches, YouTube with 194 million searches, and Amazon with 103 million searches. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, take care and good luck.